crikey, I'm Better Call Chad and we're out here in the wild. No, okay, I'm just kidding. I'm Better Call Chad, and today we're gonna talk about summer fertilizers that you can get on Amazon for Zoysia grass. Now these are important because these are tailored to Zoysia grass. Quickly though, before I get started, check me out at bettercallchad.com. I have a lot of cool stuff there, and thank you to all my Patreon supporters listed here. They are on Patreon, give me additional support and getting additional content as well, and can reach out to me on Patreon. So if you want to show me more support, check the link below with Patreon and sign up, or just give this video a like. Now, Zoysia is a low nitrogen, a high potassium and high iron loving grass. We don't want to promote too much growth for Zoysia as well. That's why it's not a high nitrogen loving. We actually want Zoysia to grow slow, so we're not mowing too much, but we still want it to thrive. So that's also something that's super, super important. And by giving it the right amount of potassium and iron, that will help. But I think Zoysia is one of the most important grasses when it comes to nutrients in the summertime. The Yard Mastery Stress Blend, which is a 7-0-20 with 3% iron, is a great summertime product to use. Now you're gonna use 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. It's gonna cost you $80 a bag, which is gonna come out to 11 cents per ounce. Now the Andersons Lean and Green, which is a 200, 10% iron. This one's great because it has just a little bit of nitrogen, a lot of iron to keep it green. The only downside is it lacks potassium, which Zoysia loves, but I believe it's still a great option for the summertime fertilizing. Now you're gonna use 3.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. It's gonna be $90 a bag, and which is gonna come in at 14 cents an ounce. Now, one of my all-time favorites, because it's natural, is Milorganite, which is a 640, and this has iron as well. You're gonna use 6 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and this is gonna come at 6 cents per ounce used. And then the last one is Ironite, which is a 101 with iron. It's gonna come out to 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. A bag is $77, and it's gonna cost you 16 cents an ounce. Now, only some of the downside is, besides the first stress blend, is these don't have nearly as much potassium as I would like in them, but that's what your spring and fall and winter are gonna be for. Now, doing potassium for Zoysia in the summertime is absolutely a great thing to do. But you are gonna mainly load that up in spring, fall, and winter. So in summer, if there's less potassium, I'm okay. The important thing is low nitrogen. That stress blend's the highest with 7%, and mainly high iron. That's what's gonna keep your Zoysia looking good and green without promoting too much growth. That's extremely important for Zoysia, is to make sure you're not giving it too much nitrogen and promoting growth. Use that iron to get the long green and not too much nitrogen. And that's gonna be it, guys. That's gonna be a quick, and you can find all these on Amazon. I know my people all over watch my videos, so I made sure to give this list on Amazon. All the links will be below. That way I know you can get these fertilizers. Now there are absolutely other fertilizers out there that work great, that have similar numbers, and I'm totally fine with that. These are just a quick few I recommend that I know you can get, that I personally have used and seen them work well. Everyone, thank you so much. Please give me support by liking, subscribing, giving me a comment. All that's a free way to support me. And if you want to support me even further, check out my Patreon, where I'm going to post some exclusive stuff. Videos go out there first, and you can even chat with me on there for, I believe it's $6 a month, just a way to help support my channel and keep these videos coming. And then check out bettercallchad.com for more information. I appreciate the support, and have a great rest of your day.